Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. Well, we're seeing some selling pressure on the SPX. SPX down today, currently down about 2.5%. Now, we did see it lower. 25.20 was the low, currently down around the 25.50 level. And with that, the VIX cash hovering right around 65. VIX cash high 69.10 today when the markets were on its lows. Now the cash is coming in a little bit. The roll market, let's look at that. April-May roll market, negative yield widening, $7.50 currently. Now that's out about $1.30 on the day. And again, to be expected when we see the markets giving up ground as we see the markets anticipate the volatility structure being pushed towards the front end of the curve. Looking at realized volatility, I think that's taking the driving factor today, I should say. And when you look at 10-day realized volatility, 112%. That's substantial. Even 30-day realized volatility is 81%. So again, with the VIX cash at 65, you would expect that if we continue to realize this type of volatility, the VIX cash is going to hold up here at this upper level. Looking at VVIX, measure of implied volatility in the VIX options, 175. That's the top end of the range for the week. So we are seeing some firmness in the VIX options, as we move towards the weekend. Trading today, 50s and 60 calls in April, 7.5K of each one of those are traded. 35 puts as well, 7.5K of those in April. Now, remember, April future currently right around 51, so that's 50 calls are at the money. The 60 calls are actually out of the money. So again, keep that in mind when you look at those options activity. Let's point out next week, I think you got to get to the House vote. That's, I think, part of the reason why we're seeing the market giving up some ground today. Hopefully they can get something done there, and maybe we'll see another leg higher, but the market's discounting that at this point. Also, the Fed's going to be front and center next week. They're going to continue to deliver, I think, a very positive message, trying to support the markets. Also, unemployment next Friday, a big number. I know certainly the weekly claims are going to be big as well, so the market's going to be focused on that as we move towards the end of the week.